Hi, my name is Bardia Ilbeiggi. I'm the chef here at Farmer's Apprentice restaurant, and I would like to prepare poached ambrosia apples with Sake Kasu Caramel and pear sorbet. So the first step is to peel and core the ambrosia apples. So we're going to poach the ambrosia apples in a poaching liquid. I usually use a poaching liquid that is half water, half sugar, so simple syrup. But ambrosia apples are pretty sweet, so I've cut the sugar by half. I also use the ambrosia apple skins in the poaching liquid to give it a more appley flavor. Once the seeds are out, you can cut them in quarters. If the apples are big, cut them in two again. Then you grab your poaching liquid, put the apples in it. The poaching liquid needs to be warm. It shouldn't be boiling, and very gently cook it for about 5 or so minutes. You can press it down with something and then put it on low heat until the apples are just tender. When the apples are ready, you can keep them warm on the table. Next, I'm going to make Sake Kasu Caramel. So Sake Kasu is the byproduct of making sake. We torch it first to give it a little extra flavor. Once the Sake Kasu is charred and beautiful, you can mix it in any type of caramel. If you can't find Sake Kasu, you can just use a simple caramel for this dish. It's just as beautiful. So now we are ready to plate the dish. We first put a couple of pieces of the poached ambrosia apple. We have the caramel that is nice and warm. That goes on the plate. Next, we put a spoon of pear sorbet on the plate. We make this here. If it's hard for you to make ice cream at home, you can buy any store-bought ice cream and also replace it with another flavor if you wish. And then at the end, we finish the dish with 2 pieces of sesame snaps that we make here, but again, that can be easily purchased from the store. So this was poached ambrosia apples with Sake Kasu Caramel and pear sorbet. If you enjoyed it, please vote for a recipe.